Morning, everybody. It's Bill Peterson here. We are not in the shop working on old trucks. We are finally at Alan's Pretty Okay campground, putting some decoys in the water. Hopefully gonna put some birds on the water so that my wee friend can be happy, because right now he's an anxious moron, and he started whining like that the minute we got here and all last night, and hopefully we'll get some birds for him. Should be a great day. Come on, Angus. Come on. Come on. Sit. Sit. Drop it. Stay. Sit. Stay. Deadbird, fetch it up. Deadbird, fetch it up. Come on. Come on. Angus, come on. Come. Would you look at that moon and the colors of that? We're right at sunrise. And second hunt of the year with our wee friend. And the colors this morning are just super spectacular. It's like everything's coated in a powdered sugar or something kind of a haze. It's not really cold out, but cold enough to have the water steam a little bit. All right, we're here at Alan's Pretty Okay campground for a week of bird hunting. Ducks, pheasants, and all the good stuff. Doggies. Stay. Stay. Deadbird, fetch it up. Angus, sit. Dead bird, fetch it up. Come on, buddy. Sit.